In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in PowerPoint Mobile. Whether you're preparing a pitch for work, working on a school project, or setting up a stunning photo slideshow, adding music can elevate your presentation to the next level. Let's dive right into it. To start, make sure you have PowerPoint open on your mobile device. You'll want to navigate to the presentation where you'd like to add some musical flair. If you don't have your presentation loaded already, take a moment to open it up now. Once you're in your presentation, look for the Insert tab. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your slides. It's usually located at the top of your screen. Tapping on the Insert tab will reveal a menu of options including shapes, images, and most importantly, audio. Now from the Insert tab, go ahead and tap on Audio. This button is your direct route to integrating sound into your project. You'll notice a few options popping up here. Since we're focusing on adding music from your own library, choose Audio on my PC. It's worth noting that this might be labelled slightly differently depending on the version you're using, but the functionality will be the same. Next up, it's time to browse through your music collection. Take a moment to find the perfect soundtrack that matches the vibe of your presentation. If you've organised your music into folders, this will make your search a bit quicker. Simply scroll through until you find that perfect track that speaks to you. After selecting your desired file, look for the Insert option. Tapping Insert will add your chosen audio file directly into your presentation. You'll see an audio icon appear on your slide, which signifies the successful embedding of your music track. This icon is essentially your audio controller, and tapping on it will provide playback controls. One quick tip, after inserting your music, you can go into the playback settings to decide how you'd like the audio to be played. Options include having it start automatically when you reach the slide, or having it play across multiple slides, which is perfect for seamless transitions in your presentation. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've added music to your PowerPoint mobile presentation, enhancing its overall impact and polishing the delivery. Music isn't just background noise, it's a component that can convey emotion, set the tone, and captivate your audience. Staying organized and knowing exactly what music to select will streamline your process even further. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're excited to dive into your own presentations with a new soundscape. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.